That's a big word. But what does stalking actually mean? It doesn't just mean a stranger ambushing you from the bushes or lurking through the window. It can also mean disturbing emails, non-stop phone calls, creepy letters, and social media abuse. It means the other person ignores your no. It means you're forced to change your life routine for months or even years. Oh, and it's not flattering or funny. It's a serious crime. So, if you're being followed, if there are eyes on you wherever you go, if you're scared to open the door, or your mailbox, or your text messages, if you jump every time the phone rings, if you haven't had a good night's sleep for a very long time, then this is stalking. 80% of stalking victims are women, 20% are men. More than 80% of people are stalked by someone they know. Such as an ex-partner, an acquaintance, a colleague or ex-colleague, or a family member. One in 6 women and 1 in 12 men are stalked at some point in their life. If you feel you're being stalked, if you feel stuck, if you feel alone, you don't have to go through it alone. If you are worried about stalking, National Stalking Helpline is here for you. National Stalking Helpline. Call 0808 802 0300.